What to do when you feel unmotivated? This is the question I'm getting maximum number of times these days. Some days you wake up motivated and are ready to go. On some other days you feel heavy and it is hard to get going and find that inner drive. And there are often roadblocks, plateaus, and valleys along the way towards what you want, where you can fall into a slump, or you need to get lost and just stay in the condition you are. When you feel like your motivation has flown away, then there are some tips which you can do and you can just bring back that motivation in your life. Do the 10-minute recharge exercise for your mind. And for this, you need to sit down in a quiet place, close your eyes, and ask yourself these two questions. First, how will my life look in 5 years if I just continue to stay on the same path as now? And second, how will my life look like? Will it become worse for me or maybe even for the people around me? You need to think over it. It may be uncomfortable, but try to see the negative consequences as vividly as you can in your mind to kickstart your motivation to get going for that positive change. Then ask yourself, again, next question, how will my life look in 1 year if I stick with it and I keep going with this change? How will it look in 5 years when you make the change you are thinking in your life to make? The second question now you have to ask after making the change, how will life improve not only for me but for the people that I love if I stick with the change which I am dealing with? You need to think over these questions and find answers for your own self. Whether you want to make changes in your money habits or your health habits, you need to write down those deepest reasons which you find by questioning yourself on a piece of paper and put them on a note where you cannot avoid seeing them every day. Another great way to recharge your motivation is simply to tap into the motivational energy and perspectives of other people. So talk to the people in your life about their dreams and what they feel most motivated to achieve and to do in their lives. But don't feel confined to just the people you know in real life. I often recharge my motivation by listening to a small part of the audiobook by Oprah or some motivational podcasts like those of Jack Canfield. Following some motivational pages on social media and reading some blogs or watching the YouTube videos could be of great help in motivation. Sometimes these two tips which I have already mentioned not work that well even though they are very powerful. What can you do then? Well, you can take a break and recharge your batteries because that is sometimes simply what is needed. Or you can do what I often do. Like when I'm having an uninspired morning, I get started anyway despite the lack of motivation within. I do so by taking a small step forward and by just focusing on taking that one step. I may, for example, tell myself that I will work on a new article or on editing a part of the new course for 3 minutes. These 3 minutes actually make so much of work again. When that is done, then I take another small step and I focus only on that until it is done. At first, doing that task may not feel fun or interesting, but it is just a small step that I need to take so it feels acceptable. Things don't stay that way though. The next step tends to be a bit easier and maybe even a bit enjoyable. And by the step after that, one, the motivation is catching up, and then I start to have fun and truly enjoy what I am doing. You will most likely not feel motivated every day, and that is really okay. You can get going by small steps, taking them one by one, and soon the motivation will start to catch up with you.